Shape's mortgage platform is integrated with several loan origination systems, or LOS systems. Let me show you how to create a contact and easily sync it, or aka create a loan file from Shape into your LOS. We're going to get started here by pressing the plus button and adding a lead. Just as a heads up, as the lead progresses through the pipeline, it'll automatically move from leads to apps to loans, and you can also streamline that down to just leads and loans, or even just leads if you wanted to. As you can see here on my screen, there are a few required fields in order for me to save this record. For this, you can strip those down, you can beef them up, depending on your personal preferences, and we can also customize these screens to your ideal workflow. I'm starting here with what's set up in this platform. And we're going to just fill out these required fields, and when I do, the lead will automatically save for you. Again, typically the bare basics is enough to save the contact record, but oftentimes you want to enter more information about the loan and property. And when you do that, we also have predictive Google address fields to really help fill out information for you. You can put in current lien information, especially for those looking to refinance, and real estate info for those looking to purchase. We also have a full 1008, 1003 application that syncs with the information previously entered on the lead details intake tab. When you're ready to push this from Shape into your LOS, it's really easy. Press this LOS button and sync to my LOS. This is connecting to your loan origination system, and you should get a success message in the upper right-hand corner. From this point forward, your LOS system will automatically sync not only fields, but also assignments and milestone details back into Shape on a regular basis. If you have any questions about our LOS sync, let us know.